Hello, welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name's Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more, today I have my BoxyCharm for January 2021. I figured I would just jump on here real quick, show you what I got, as well as give you a little bit of information on the products. If you guys are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I do have the base box. The base box is $25, and it does promise you, I believe, 4 to 5 full-size products, makeup, skincare, hair care, just kind of all depends. So let's get to it. The theme for January is Fresh Start. Appropriate theme. And one thing I did notice that was different is the back does still have the name of the products, the full size, retail value, which all of them are going to be full size, so just the retail value, and a description of each product. Now, typically, the variation code would just be like variation 25 or variation 32, whatever. This time, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but that's the variation code. So that's new. We'll see if that stays or not, but just thought that was different. So let's get to it. I did use this palette today. So this is the box first. This is the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. Box looks like. And let's show you the palette, which, let me just show you the packaging real quick because I'm a sucker for packaging. It is like a nice soft matte, which I don't know if this is going to get dirty or not. We will see. But I will take off my glasses so you can see the look I did. Nothing too crazy, but there's the palette. Really cute. I did use a couple shades. I was quite happy with what I used, so I'm interested to keep playing with the palette and see if I continue to like it. This retails for $30. And let me show you the look actually before I forget, because I might. And this wig has a lot of hair, so I apologize, but here's the look. Nothing crazy. I decided to just kind of play around with a couple of the shimmers along with a couple of the mattes so I could get a decent look. So I'm not mad at it, and I've had this makeup on for a little over 5 hours, so it's holding up pretty well. I don't do a crazy amount of makeup, but I know eyeshadows can definitely be a little bit fickle when it comes to staying on my eyelids, so I'm not mad at it. So the next thing I got is from Pharmacy, and this is the Daily Greens. This is an oil-free gel moisturizer. That's what the box looks like. I do really like Pharmacy's formula, as well as their packaging. So let me show you the packaging. This is what it looks like. Cute little bottle, and it's glass, so this will look nice on a vanity or in the bathroom kind of thing. Quite excited about that. This retails for $38. We'll see if it works. The next thing I got is from Lifestyle Co. And this is a Reset Mist. Show you what it looks like. It has little stones or little glass pieces, whatever, in the bottle, which I thought was cute. This is a body and linen spray. This is with lavender and tea tree oil. So let's see how it smells. Some of it got on my hand. Okay, it's actually, I know lavender's a hit or miss with people. I happen to really like lavender, especially you know, when you're just trying to kind of unwind and try to relax. But it doesn't have a strong scent, so this might work for quite a few people. Yeah, it's nice though. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. This retails for $36. The next thing I got is from Dr. Brandt, and this is the Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt. This is a triple peptide eye cream. There's the box. This is what it looks like. Never met an eye cream, and Dr. Brandt is quite pricey, so this actually retails for $82. Oh boy. It just says to apply in the AM and the PM to your eye contour. We will see. If it helps, I'm all about it. And it's supposed to help wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness. Yeah, and for all types of skin. I will let you know. And the last thing I got is from Quavine Studio. I hope that's right. I am so sorry if it is not. This is a Dragon Duo. There you go. You have a liquid eyeliner and a pencil eyeliner. This is what the liquid eyeliner looks like, which it's literally going right to my sister after this video. And this is what the pencil looks like. I'll swatch it for you. It's a black pencil. Not bad. I do have it in my waterline right now. I normally go for like a lighter color or more of a funky color in my waterline, but I did really want to try this, so I'm not mad at it. It did make my eye water, but then it went away, so I don't know if it was just my allergies or if it was actually the eyeliner, but we'll find out, I guess. I'll let you know. And that retails for $28. So not a bad box. There's definitely a variety of things I got. I'm quite excited to use this Reset Mist, and the palette I did really like from what I used. But yeah, we will see. Just a quick reminder that you are kind, unstoppable. You're a fighter. And if today's not a good day, that's okay. All we can do is try. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.